everyone, welcome to my channel. Sewhungryhippie is all about helping you through because everyone is a maker. Everyone is creative. It's one of my biggest beliefs. We all can make awesome things, and I'm here to help you do it. You'll find sewing and crafting projects. If you have questions, I'm here to help. And I hope you subscribe and hit like. I appreciate all of you, and also all these tutorials and videos are linked on my blog, and the blog is at hungryhippiesews.com. I'm Sewhungryhippie on Instagram. I'm hungryhippiesews on the blog. Don't get confused. And I'm not a hippo. Everyone's like, "Hi, Sewhungryhippo." No, dudes, that was a game in the 80s. It was awesome, but that is not me. I'm Hungry Hippie. All right, see you.